this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix cannot connect to iTunes Store on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app, click on Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network. Likewise, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Click on that eye icon. Then select the option forget this network. Then reconnect to it, but restart your router. Next, head back. Go to software update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. While you are in general settings, go to iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Then you can head back. Then click on the option background app refresh. Make sure it is enabled for Apple services if the option is available. Likewise, head back. Head over to the option date and time. Make sure you have toggle on for the options set automatically. Likewise, head over to the option VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN, you will need to disconnect to it temporarily. Likewise, head back and click on transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset network settings and complete the process. Finally, restart your iPhone. Once it turns back on, open the iTunes Store or App Store again and check whether the error has been resolved. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.